There it is. It's like a little rain cloud burst, but snow instead.
Holy shoot.
Isn't that neat?
Oh, look at this. I just saw it coming in like some sort of paint smudging. Holy shit! Oh, there's this guy. Oh my god! Oh, oh, oh. Holy shit! This is a crazy snowstorm. It just came in like rolling in like a bunch of snow like paint smudges. It's a pretty effed up shit, you know? Oh, it's over. Jesus Jesu Cristo. I got a bunch of snow on me. Huh. Luckily, this ain't a thunderstorm. It's only November, obviously. Oh, no, it's January. Yeah, shit. Oh, I think there might be a second wave coming in. Nah, I'm actually just kidding around. Ha ha. Like, holy cow. It's gonna remind me of a thunderstorm when it moves in like this. Oh, God. Oh. There it is. 4K. Huh. Look at all that pink, though. And the orange over there. Holy shit. And the blue over here. That makes a perfectly good color hue. I think it's moving in. Again. Jesus Christ. Oh, shit. Son of a... Oh, God. Look at all that snow that just fell within like 3 minutes. Okay, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Holy shit, it's cold out here.